Hello, somebody requested to make a video about Behringer JT-4000 Micro and Arturia Keystep with PC. So um, just made a short video about it. So I connected both keyboard and synthesizer on my laptop through the USB ports, and I use MIDI tools, and assuming both device drivers are installed correctly, those MIDI devices should appear in the input and output of MIDI. So I'll choose Keystep as an input and JT-4000 as an output. Then go back to input and through output device from the Keystep to JT-4000 Micro. Then after that, JT-4000 should receive MIDI signal. Once again, that's the MIDI setup. I hope it helps somebody who Thank you for watching.